Hey guys, so if you've been on my channel for a few years now, you will probably recognize this little package. Today we have a Medusas Makeup subscription box to show you. So this used to be a worldwide thing, but as far as I can tell, it's now a USA only subscription. I will put all of the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. But it says that it's $22.95 a month, or you can get a 3-month one, which is a little cheaper, or a 6-month one, which is even a little cheaper than that. It is their 7th birthday at the minute, so that's why I've got one of these to show you. Apparently it's the biggest one of the year, and they have given me a discount code which is birthday20, so I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well, and that will get you 20% off. I'm not sure if that's on subscriptions or if that's on everything that they sell, because they do just sell normal items as well, but yeah, birthday20. So we are going to open this and see what is in here. So in here I have 3 different little things. So it says that new subscribers get one of these. It comes with a little gift and you get a makeup bag as well. So this is only for the new subscribers. So this in here is, I think it's a little eyeshadow. Oh no, it's a little cheek thing in here, so I'll show you that in a second. This is what the makeup bag looks like. It is actually like a bubble wrap, but kind of built in there. So I've got another one of these that's like little pink heart bubble wraps. I'm not sure if they're all different. This one is just a little clear one, and it says Medusas Makeup on the front. So that's very cute. It definitely keeps your items in there protected anyway, because it's literally bubble wrap, so very cute. And then this is my little free gift that I got. So this is a Trifle Cosmetics Cheek Chiffon. It says it's a blush and a highlighter. That is what that looks like. I'm assuming it's kind of like a half and half, with it being a blusher and a highlighter, because I don't think it can be both of those at the same time. Yep, it's a little mini half and half. So we've got a nice little pale rosy blush and then a little highlight. I'll do a quick swatch of those. This would be really cute for like if you were traveling or something. I will turn this down so you can actually see it. So that one is the blush, and then here we have the highlight one. It's not showing up the best on camera, but that is what that looks like. Then we have our little card that tells you what is in there. I'm not going to look at that because I'm just going to look at the actual parcel itself. But it says, Happy birthday, August 2023, celebrating 7 years of the beauty box. And it says the value of this one is $72, which is quite a lot. So hopefully some pretty good things in this one. And then we've got our little package of all different makeup items. So the first thing I can see in here is a little brush, and it came with a little thing over it. I'm just getting ahead of myself. This one is a sparkly pink and white, kind of like a unicorn horn handle. It's got hot pink up here, and then the end is white and baby pink. Super, super soft. Not really sure what that would be for. It's quite big for your eyes and quite small for everything else. Maybe a bit of a like a highlighter kind of brush, I would say. Let's see if this says what it's actually supposed to be. Number 4. Oh, a blush brush apparently. Probably wouldn't use it for blush, but maybe a highlighter personally. But super cute though. I love their brushes. I've had a few of them in the past and they're all really good quality, and they're still great after being washed and stuff. So that is the first one we have. Then next we have this. This is a baked eyeshadow, and it's in the colour Surf. Not my kind of thing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not really into blues and stuff. They just don't look very good on me because I'm so pale. Sometimes I do wear them and people always compliment whatever makeup I'm wearing, honestly, but personally I don't love it. Very, very pretty colour though. Hair colour wise, I would love that colour. I think it's so nice. Again, I will do a little swatch so you can see. Super, super shimmery. Very, very bright. Love that. That is our little baked eyeshadow. Then next we have a Extreme Sparkle lip gloss. So I've got a lot of these now. This one is called Night Fever, and it looks quite a nice kind of like golden bronzy sort of colour. Like I said, I've been getting these for years, so at this point, if I've not already got this one, it's probably a surprise. Yep, so this one is just kind of like a bronze sort of colour. I will give you a quick little swatch. You can sort of blend it out so it's sort of like a glitter. You could definitely just put that over another lip colour as a bit of a glitter, but you could also wear it quite thick to have that gold sort of colour. So that is Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the colour Night Fever. Then next we've got this cute little package, and it says it's a Medusas Makeup Glitter Scented Bath Salts Birthday Cake. They are so sparkly and cute. I don't think it's even going to show up on camera. They're like a holographic, iridescent-y kind of glitter sparkle. I wonder if I can actually smell this. I'm assuming it means scented of birthday cake. Oh, they smell absolutely amazing. They just smell like Baskin-Robbins birthday cake flavour. Love that. So they are really cute little bath salts. And then we still have a few things left. So the next thing we've got is this, which says You Need One Pretty Personal Wipe. This is exactly what you think it is from Personal Wipe. So just a little like single packet, one of those, very random. Great to have, I guess. Throw it in your bag or whatever. So just a little packet wipe. And then we've got two things left. So the next thing is this. This is a Medusa's Makeup Birthday Cake Cruelty-Free and Vegan Lip Balm. Very excited about this. I think this is my favourite thing in the box so far. I absolutely love birthday cake flavour and scented and stuff like that. And I love lip balms as well. It smells amazing. I'm not going to put it on because I've got lipstick on, but it's just like a little clear lip balm. I will 1,000,000% be using that. Love that it's birthday cake flavour or scented. And then the last thing we have is a Medusa's Makeup Cheeky Blush in the colour Sugar Cookie, which sounds really cute. It says it's a powder blush with shimmer finish to flatter any skin tone. Again, all of these are cruelty-free and vegan. It's in a cute little heart shape, little baby pink heart. And if I could get in with my nails on, that would be great. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got a little mirror at the top. It does have a cover on it, like a protective cover that peels off. And then that is what the colour of the blusher is. It says love in a little heart on there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on this camera or not, but a very nice blush colour, I've got to say. I'll do a little swatch again. I'll put it next to the first blush colour that I did over here. Oh, that one's a lot more pigmented. So this is the Medusa's Makeup one, and this one is that first Trifle Cosmetics one that we showed. Both of those really nice colours though. This one is a little more neon, I'm not gonna lie. I think this one is more my kind of colour, but I might have just put loads of that one on by accident. Maybe when it's kind of blended out. Oh yeah, no, that's a really nice colour actually. Blended out would look great. So yeah, that is our little cheeky blush that we got. And that was everything in the August birthday Medusa's makeup box. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So I got the clear little makeup bag. Everyone doesn't get this every time. This is just with your first box purchase. So little clear makeup bag and the Trifle Cosmetics free gift little blush and highlight. I'm going to put things in here as I go because I don't think I'm going to be able to hold all of these small things. So that was my little free gift for the first box. Then we had our really cute little sparkly unicorn horn brush. It says blush brush, but I'm going to use it as a highlight brush. We got the Pretty Personal Wipe, the little, you know, one pack wipe. The Birthday Cake Glitter Scented Bath Salts. The Birthday Cake Lip Balm, definitely very excited to use that. The Baked Eyeshadow in the colour Surf. The Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the colour Night Fever. and the cheeky blush in the colour Sugar Cookie as well. So all of those little items in there were in the August Medusa's makeup box. Obviously it's different every month. I think everyone gets the same thing every month though. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. If any of you still get Medusa's makeup, if you're going to sign up to Medusa's makeup. I will put all of the information down below for them in case any of you want to check them out. Don't forget to use the discount code. It gets you 20% off. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.